வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு பிஎஸ்என்எல் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் குவிஸ். உங்களுடைய ஃபேவரட் விளையாட்டு வினாடி நிகழ்ச்சியில் உங்களை மீண்டும் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறோம். வழக்கம் போல் நிகழ்ச்சியின் துவக்கத்தில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ்எம்எஸ் கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்து நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு போகலாம். இன்றைய நிகழ்ச்சிக்கான ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ்எம்எஸ் கொஸ்டின்: Alistair Cook recently became the youngest cricketer to score dash test match runs. சமீபத்தில் அலிஸ்டர் குக் மிக குறைந்த வயதில் எத்தனை டெஸ்ட் ரன்களை எடுத்தார்? 5000, 8000, 9000, 10000. SQ space 1A 1B 1C or 1D space followed by name location 9282105555. Welcome to BSN Sports. நிகழ்ச்சியில் பங்கேற்க போறது நீங்க தான். தொலைபேசி மூலமாக, SMS மூலமாக, இமெயில் மூலமாக the numbers are coming on screen. 17077 1707325397010490101010101. Can we have the caption please? 94490101101021. And the first time caller, those who have not won a prize on the show, can call 64628270 6462820 சென்னை வெளியிலிருந்து போன் சேருங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 044 பண்ணலாம். If you have 3G video calling facility, you can call 948819 9488. Prize on the show present courtesy BSNL வழங்கும் 50 rupees worth seat offer voucher prize ஆக வழங்கப்படும். If you win the prize today, you have to send, you can give us a number, BSNL prepaid mobile number of Tamil Nadu Puducherry Circle right on the show, and the prize will be credited to that. If you can't give it right now, you can send a letter to the director of sports quiz program, Doordarshan Kendra, number 5 Swami Sivananda Sale Chennai RC Sanjay கூட ஒரு 4-star copy of telephone bill, 4-star copy of ration card வச்சு ரெண்டு வாரத்துல வந்து சேரும்படி அனுப்புங்க. அதுல வந்து அந்த லெட்டர்ல you can mention about the BSNL prepaid mobile number of Tamil Nadu Puducherry Circle to which you want the top up list. Email contest list those correct answer to http://ddsportsquiz.hpage.com or ddsportsquiz.blogspot.com. இன்னைக்கு கம்ப்யூட்டர் அஞ்சல கேவன சேர்ந்திருக்க போது let's go to the picture board and take the first call of the show tonight. Hello, வணக்கம் BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello, yeah, who's this? Balaji from
Trichy, sir.
Trichy. Which number on the picture board?
13, spot the ball.
Okay, இந்த வாரம் it's fairly simple. Spot the ball. Where is the ball? வந்துச்சா போட்டோ?
வந்துச்சு சார்.
எங்க இருக்கு பால்?
C1.
No idea. Huh?
C1.
C1 is absolutely right. Very good answer, Balaji. I said this was easy, but still you had to get it. Very good answer. Balaji from Trichy. Telephone number. Balaji, line disconnect ஆயிடுச்சு, கவலைப்படாதீங்க. You please drop a mail with the BSNL prepaid mobile number to which we have to credit the prize. Congratulations. அடுத்த காலர் வணக்கம் BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello, BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? சொல்லுங்க சார். Hello.
அவினேஷ் சார்.
யாரு?
அவினேஷ்.
Avinash, which number on the picture board?
Sir, 15 sir.
Number 15, photo find. The man in the photo is one of the veterans of the I League, having played in the league since 2002. This is a carryover question from last week.
Oh, okay sir. Sir, அது அப்போ அது லாஸ்ட் வீக்கே தெரிஞ்சது. பெலோ ரசாக் சார் அவரு அந்த ஈஸ்ட் பெங்காலுக்கு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆனாரு சார். ரீசெண்டா இப்போ மாறினாரு அவரு.
சரி, பட் என்ன பண்ணாரு அதுக்கு முன்னாடி?
அது தெரியல சார். லாஸ்ட் வீக்கே தெரியல சார் எனக்கு.
Okay, I'm going to give it to you. This is Bello Razak, the Nigerian footballer who has been playing for 13 years. 13 ஆண்டு காலமாக இந்தியா ஐ லீக்ல விளையாடிட்டு இருக்கிற நைஜீரியன் ஃபுட்பாலர் பெல்லோ ரசாக். He is a defender. Last week he scored the a few weeks ago he scored the winning goal that gave the title for Mohan Bagan in the I League. Avinash, நீங்களும் டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிட்டீங்களா? லைன்ல இருக்கீங்களா Avinash? Okay, Avinash, don't worry, please mail us your number and we'll make sure you get the prize. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ, வணக்கம் BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello, who is this? Yeah, 3G caller, who's this?
Hello,
Yeah, who's this?
Harini from West Mamlam.
Shiny, which number on the picture? Harini, which number on the picture board? Chess puzzle, question number 11. Black to play and mate in 3 moves. ரொம்ப easy, Harini. Black விளையாடணும், 3 மூல mate. I think we'll have to take the caption off. Yeah, the window. Yeah, thank you. Black to play and mate in 3 moves. Come on, Harini. First caller, you get a little bit of extra time.
Queen D3 check.
Queen B3 D3
check.
Queen D3 check is not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ, வணக்கம் BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? 2 more callers and we take the first SMS. Hello, வணக்கம்.
Hello,
Yeah, who's this?
Subiksha from Nasik.
Subiksha from Nasik. Which question on the picture board? Open a new question. Oh God, I think we've lost Subiksha. A lot of disconnections today. Unfortunately, a lot of calls getting cut. Adutha caller, hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga per enanga?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Sriram from Chennai.
Sriram, open new question.
11 chess puzzle.
Theriyuma?
தெரியும்.
Okay, go for it, Sriram. Come on. சொல்லுங்க.
Queen e4 check.
Queen e4 check.
King g3.
King g3.
Queen g4 check.
Queen g4 check.
King h2.
King h2.
Rook into h4 checkmate.
Absolutely right. என்ன பண்றீங்க ஸ்ரீராம்?
நான் 11th standard படிக்கிறேன்.
Very good. Telephone number very quickly.
94452.
Okay.
650. 37.
Very good. Now let's have the answer for the chess puzzle coming up. Very good answer given by Sriram. Actually not a very difficult puzzle, but still he had to get it right, and he did get it right. Let's have the answer coming up. Okay, first move is queen comes to e4 check. King has only one move to go, and that is to g3. Queen comes to g4 check. King has only one move, that is h2, and then rook into pawn mate. That is the right answer. One more caller, then we take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello, BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga per enanga?
Hello. Nitesh from Saidapet.
Hello, I can't hear you. I can't see you. Yeah, who's this?
Hello, I can't hear you. I can't see you.
Nitesh from Saidapet.
Which number on the picture board? TV volume கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணுங்க.
One straight drive.
Okay, now one straight drive is a question on basketball. In the NBA, both teams don't take their allotted timeouts. What would happen and why?
Sorry sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay, thanks for participating. SMS 1 yaar Jacob Poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada who's the winner for the first SMS.
SMS 1 answer 8000 இல்லங்க 9000 runs சொன்னேன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, let's see how many of you have got that right. 9,000 runs, not bad, not bad. Most of you did get it right. Can we see who is going to be the winner? Shankar from Chennai, 9442013884. Shankar from Chennai, congratulations, you are the winner for the first SMS. The correct answer, of course, is Alistair Cook. Sendravaram Samibathil 9000 test rungalai kuvittu. He became the youngest player to score 9,000 test runs. SMS 2 before we go for a commercial break. The US Open Golf Tournament at Chambers Bay last week was won. Sendravaram US Open Golf Tournament yaar jeichanga? Jordan Spieth, Rory McIlroy, Adam Scott, Dustin Johnson. SQ space 2A 2B 2C 2D space followed by name 9281055555. Going for a short commercial break. See you on the other side of this break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. Welcome back to BSNL Sports Quiz. Quickly go back to the picture board and take the next caller. Artha caller yaar paakalam. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enanga? Yaare?
Ramesh from Dambaram.
Ramesh, எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
சார் இந்த பாகிஸ்தான் ரிவ்யூ அந்த ரிவ்யூ அந்த ஒரு ரிவ்யூ அதான் அவுட் கொடுக்கல அந்த ரிவ்யூ இருக்கா சார் क्वेश्चन
எதுமா? போன வாரத்து கேள்வியா?
20 straight drive சார்.
20 straight drive. What unusual record do Bob Willis and Brett Lee hold in Test cricket? Test cricketல Bob Willis and Brett Lee hold a unusual record. இது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுற ரெக்கார்டுன்னு கூட சொல்ல முடியாது. No idea. No idea. Okay, thanks for participating, Ramesh. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ, வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello, who's this? Hello.
Sir, Sabarish from Crompet.
Yeah, who's this?
Sabarish from Crompet.
Sabarish, open a new question.
Sir, background Satnam Singh.
வேணா அவசரப்படாதீங்க. Open a new question. Open a new question.
18 picture point.
Number 18, picture point. Identify the sports person in the clues. இந்த clueவில் ஒளிந்திருக்கும் விளையாட்டு வீரர் யார்? Question courtesy PGG's Rebus Corner, facebook.com/Rebus Corner. யாரு?
Simoni.
Full name என்னங்க?
Full name, sir. I have heard of this person.
There are a lot of Diego Simeone. Illai, I can't give it to you. Thanks for participating. One more caller. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga per enanga? Hello? I think we're having a small delay in the calls. No, the call. Hello? Hello? Can we take the next caller, please? Hello, வணக்கம். BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
என் பேர் அரவிந்த். அந்த பிரெட்லி பாபிலிஸ் கொஸ்டின்.
என்ன ஆன்சர் அரவிந்த்?
எப்படின்னா only test cricketers to have taken 300 or more wickets without having a test 110 wicket haul.
Without a single 10 wicket haul, they are the only two cricketers to have taken 300 or more test wickets. 300 அல்லது அதற்கு அதிகமான டெஸ்ட் விக்கெட்டுகளை ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஒரு முறை கூட 10 விக்கெட் இந்த மேட்ச் எடுக்காம வீழ்த்திருக்கிறது. இரண்டு bowlers are Bob Willis and Brett Lee. Brilliant answer. Arvind, telephone number
22434076.
Okay, you'll have to give a prepaid BSNL mobile number at some point of time. You can send it by mail. Thanks for participating. One more caller, then we take the SMS. Hello, வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Hello.
Hello.
This is Sports Quiz.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Giridhar.
Giridhar, where are you speaking from?
I'm from Chennai, sir.
எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
பிக்சர் போர்டுல இப்பதான் வந்திருக்கு. Video.
Hello. Number?
Video 1.
Okay, question number 12. Video 1. Question is, identify the batsman dismissed, the bowler, and what is the significance of the match shown? மூணு எனக்கு வேணும். Very easy. Batter caller. Hello, வணக்கம். BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
Anand from Delhi, sir.
Anand from Delhi. Which number on the picture board?
Sir, can I try 7? 7 வந்து இதுவா 2-in-1 தான்.
2-in-1 தான்.
Sir, okay, cricket-ஆ?
Okay, 7. Identify the two present day cricketers in the image.
Okay, I'll try, sir.
Yeah, blended together very nicely by our computer with Ravichandran. Who is this? Who are these two? Okay, I'll give you a clue. They are from different countries.
Okay, sir. Sir, Adil Rashid and Sabir Rahman.
Absolutely fabulous, Anand. Sabir Rahman and Adil Rashid. Bangladesh cricketer Sabir Rahman and England spinner Adil Rashid. Anand, fantastic. Absolutely stunning. Telephone number?
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Telephone number?
Yes, sir.
Telephone cholma. Hello, Anand. Okay, yet another disconnection for the day. I think we are not getting any prize winners so far. Only 2 prize winners have managed to give their numbers. 3 prize winners have not even been able to give their numbers. The calls have been disconnected. Hopefully they will mail the numbers to which they want the prizes topped up. One more caller before we take second SMS. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports Quiz. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Navneet from Mylapore.
Navneet, which question?
18.
18. Who is that?
Simone Baroni.
Who is that?
I think he's an Italian footballer.
Retired Italian football star Simone Baroni. Can you tell us how you got it?
Sim on E and there's a bar on E.
Bar on E. Sim on E and bar on E makes it Simone Baroni, 37 years old now, former Italian football star. Okay, now telephone number?
9441.
9441.
18572.
Sorry?
18572.
Okay, 50 rupees worth seat offer voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. SMS 2, yeah, Jake Poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada who's the winner of the second SMS.
SMS 2 answer Jordan Spieth.
Okay, let's see how many of you got Jordan Spieth right. Yes, most of you have successfully got Jordan Spieth right. Who is going to be the winner? Krishna, I think Srirangam it must be. 9443408934. Krishna from Srirangam. SRGM. Okay, I'll write it down as SRGM. Congratulations, you are the winner for the second SMS. The correct answer is Jordan Spieth is the winner of he was the winner of the US Open Golf Tournament at Chambers Bay last week. In fact, he's won the 2 big majors of the year and he's going into the next one hoping for a hat-trick. SMS 3 before we go for a commercial break. Out of the 16 times that a score of more than 400 has been posted in ODI cricket, how many times have England posted such a score? 3 times, never, twice, or once. SQ space 3A3B3C3D space for a million 9282105555. We're going for a short commercial break. See you on the other side of the break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. Welcome back to BSNL Sports Quiz. Quickly go back to the picture board and take the next caller. Artha caller Yan Paklam. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga per enga?
Hello, this is Shekhar from Mumbai.
Shekhar, which question on the picture board?
In the picture board valla.
Andachu sir. Seekram.
Oh, video.
Huh?
Video 1.
Video 2 Video 2 carry over. Ippe sollina.
Hello sir.
Video 2 is a carry over.
Sorry, video one.
Video 1. Okay. Give me the answer. You want to see the video again?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, you'll have to tell me the batsman, the bowler. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enanga? Hello, I thought this was an easy one. Yeah, 3G caller, who's this?
Sir, Arnachalam.
Arnachalam, எந்த நம்பர் சார் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Arnachalam from Chennai, sir. Video 1.
என்ன ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Video 1.
சொல்லுங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, our batsman is Kapil Dev, bowler is Umesh Nayak. It is Sri Lanka's first cricket.
As first ever win in Test cricket. Excellent answer, Mr. Arnachalam. Telephone number?
9440
9440
82241.
82241. 50 rupees worth seat offer voucher courtesy BSNL coming your way. Excellent answer. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? ஹலோ. யாரு? ஸ்ரீரங்கன். எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல? வீடியோ 2. போன வாரத்து வீடியோ. இரு, வேற ஏதாவது கேளு. போன வாரத்து வீடியோ கேரி ஓவர் அது. வேண்டாம். Connection point number 2. Very good. Connect the 2 photos. வந்துச்சு. இந்த ரெண்டு போட்டோக்கு என்ன கனெக்ஷன்? No idea. Okay. Thanks for participating. One more caller. எதுமா? இல்ல. Okay. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello. Yeah, who's this?
Hello.
யாருங்க?
Murugesan from Bangalore.
Murugesan, which number of the picture board?
Number 3 photo frame, sir.
Okay, good. Very simple. Identify the person in the photo in the news recently. Very, very simple question. Who is this?
Identify the person in the photo in the news recently. Very, very simple question. Who is this?
Okay, I'll give you a clue. Cricket.
கொடுங்க சார் ப்ளீஸ்.
கொஞ்சம் டிவி வால்யூம் கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. யார் இது? No idea. Okay, thanks for participating. SMS 3 யார் ஜெயிக்க போறாங்க? Let's find out now from Narmada. Who's the winner for the third SMS? Let's find out now.
SMS 3 கொஞ்சம் குழம்பு வைங்கன்னு பார்த்தா once னு கரெக்ட்டா அடிச்சிட்டீங்க. என்ன பார்க்கலாம்.
ஒரு போன வாரம் முதல் முறையாக first time that England recorded, amazing no, in ODI cricket. Last week was the first time that England actually crossed 400. Chandramouli from Trichy 89036 82893. Chandramouli from Trichy, congratulations. You are the winner for the third SMS. The correct answer is, of course, England have only once crossed the score of 400. That was against New Zealand a week ago. SMS 4 coming up on your screen now. The ICC annual conference was held earlier this week at இந்த வாரம் முடிந்த வாரத்துல ICC annual conference எங்க நடந்தது? மெல்பர்ன், Barbados, Dubai or London. SQ space 4A4 before CO40 space followed by number 9282105555. Let's go back to the picture board and take the next caller. Hello, வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Raghuram, sir.
Raghuram, எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Sir, the IIT Bombay question.
Question number 2. Okay, what is the connection?
Sir, IIT Bombay graduates அந்த ஒரு fine bat ஒன்று create பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. So that the edge எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஃபைனரா இருந்தது. So that the ball won't be carried to the slip and the wicket keeper.
Absolutely brilliant. This is called the Gladius bat. The Gladius cricket bat. இதை டிசைன் பண்ணது ரெண்டு எக்ஸ் ஐஐடி பாம்பே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், மிரிக் கோக்ரி அண்ட் ஆயுஷ் ஜெயின். இவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, இப்ப வழக்கமா இந்த பேட்னுடைய பின் பக்கம் நார்மலா இருக்கும், ஃப்ரண்ட் சைட்ல இந்த எட்ஜஸ் தின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இது தின் பண்றதுனால உங்களுக்கு எட்ஜ் பட்டா கூட விக்கெட் கீப்பருக்கோ ஸ்லிப்ஸுக்கோ அந்த பால் கேரி ஆகாத மாதிரி. This is called the Gladius bat and they're still sort of figuring out what to do with it. Very good answer, Raghuram. Telephone number
944-395-3737.
944-395-3737.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks for participating, Raghuram. 50 rupees worth seat top-up voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். பேக்ரவுண்ட் போட்டோ யாராவது சொல்லுங்க சார் ப்ளீஸ். ஹலோ யாரு? எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
9 negative image.
9 negative image. Identify the Indian sports person in the image. இந்த புகைப்படத்தில் நீங்கள் பார்க்கும் இந்திய விளையாட்டு வீரர் யார்? யார் இவரு?
இவரு கோல்ட் மெடல் கூட எடுத்தாரு.
கோல்ஃப்
கோல்ட் மெடல் எடுத்தாரு.
எதுல?
ஐயோ பேப்பர்ல பார்த்தேன்.
பேப்பர்ல பாத்திருக்கீங்க. யார் இவரு? மறந்துச்சு. பரவாயில்ல. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் பார்ட்டிசிபேட்டிங். அடுத்த காலர் வணக்கம். பிஎஸ்என் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் குவிஸ் உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? ஹலோ. Yeah, who's this?
From Mumbai.
Who from Mumbai? Vivek. Vivek, answer.
Vignesh.
Vignesh, which question?
Number 5 photo file.
Number 5 photo find. This was the starting lineup of a famous club in Europe. Okay, this is in a UEFA Cup final in the late 90s. This club was in the news recently. Identify the club. Why was it in the news? You can see Fabio Cannavaro, Gianluigi Buffon. You can see Hernan Crespo.
Late 90s.
Late 90s.
This is Lazio.
Why was it in the news recently?
Why was it in the news recently?
Look carefully, Vignesh. Don't be in a hurry.
Cannavaro, Crespo.
Yeah.
Veron.
Yes. This was actually the starting lineup for a UEFA Cup final.
I think is this the most expensive lineup?
Most expensive lineup. Come on.
No, not most. No. In the news recently.
Compared to Barca and Real, how can this be the most expensive lineup?
No. Like transfer, Buffon was the most expensive keeper. Like I think the players were sold for.
Which club? Which club?
I think all of them were bought by Juventus. Thuram.
No, Vignesh. This is a question which is topical, something to do with something which happened last week. Thanks for participating. One more caller. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports Quiz. Unga per enga 3G caller. Who's this? Hello. Yes sir. Mr. Kumar. Endha number picture board la?
4.3 Asin Christ.
யாரு?
Asin Christ.
ஏன் நியூஸ்ல இருந்திருக்காரு ரீசெண்டா?
ரஞ்சி டிராபி பிளேயர் அவரு.
ரஞ்சி டிராபி பிளேயர். அது மட்டும் இல்லை, சமீபத்தில் ஆஸ்திரேலியால ட்ரைனிங்காக அனுப்பப்பட்டிருக்கும் தமிழ்நாட்டை சேர்ந்த வேகப்பந்து வீச்சாளர் அஸ்வின் கிறிஸ்ட் இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். குட். டெலிபோன் நம்பர் சார்?
9443.
Okay.
99196.
Thanks for participating. Very good answer, sir. Ashwin Christ is of course the right answer. Emerging Indian fast bowler in the making. Adutha caller. Two more callers. We take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports Quiz. Unga per enga? Hello. Background photo is now. Yaru?
Ramesh from Chennai.
Yes, sir. Open new question.
Connection point 8 kudungla.
Connection point number 8. Oh my God. This is a carryover question of last week. Very simple.
Apna sounding kudurunga sir.
எது? சரி, இது ஓபன் பண்ணியாச்சு. 17
ஆமா சார். கோணோனா.
Okay, I'll give you 17. Connect the two men in the photograph.
ஆமா.
Okay, this is anyway open. Connect the two men. Very simple question. I would say it's probably one of the easiest questions on tonight's show. சொல்லுங்க. தெரியுமா? No idea.
No idea, sir. Sorry.
Thanks for participating. One more call and we take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports Quiz. Unga per enga?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Ramkumar from Nanganallur.
Yes, Ramkumar. Endha number?
Background WWE star Seth Rollins sir.
யாரு அவசரப்படாதீங்க. வேண்டாம். அதான் ஒரு கேள்வி ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க. புது கேள்வி வேணாலும் பரவாயில்ல. Go for it.
Seth Rollins.
கண்ணா, புது கேள்வி ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, connection point 19.
Connection point number 19. Connect the two men in the photos with a recent incident. No idea. No idea. Okay, thanks for participating. SMS 4 yaar check poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada who's the winner for the fourth SMS.
SMS 4 answer Barbados வின்னர் பார்க்கலாம்.
Yes, Sunny Barbadosல ICC ஆஹா கலக்கிட்டீங்க எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. Barbados Chakravarti from Srivilliputtur 96003-48538. Chakravarti from Srivilliputtur, congratulations, you are the winner for the fourth SMS. The correct answer of course is Barbados. SMS 5 before go for a commercial break. Atletico Madrid star Mario Mandzukic has recently joined which football club? Juventus, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid or Inter Milan. Atletico Madrid and former Bayern Munich star, actually முன்னாடி Bayern Munich ல இருந்தாரு, அப்புறம் அத்லெட்டிகோ மேட்ரிட் போனாரு, இப்போ எங்க போயிருக்காரு? யுவென்டஸ் போயிருக்காரா, திருப்பி பயர் மியூனிக் வந்துட்டாரா, ரியல் மேட்ரிட், இன்டர் மிலானா? SQ space 5855 CO5 space 4 92821 05555 going for a short commercial break. See you on the other side of the break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. Welcome back to BSNL Sports Quiz. Let's go back to the picture board and take the, before we go to the picture board, let's find the email contest questions. Last week kind of answers, then the computer will pick file like the questions this week. Last week we asked you 3 questions. The first of those 3 questions was, name the Brazilian football player who was suspended for 4 matches in the Copa America. And the correct answer, of course, was Neymar. That is the right answer. Second question which we asked you last week was the name of the Bangladeshi cricketer who made a dream debut by claiming the man of the match award in his first ever ODI match this week. Mustafizur is, of course, the right answer. Third question which we asked you last week was, which city in Europe is currently staging the FIH World Hockey League semi-finals, in which India is also a participant? The correct answer is Antwerp. So let us find out who the 5 lucky winners are going to be right now. Yes, please. RS Thirinyana Sambandam 89, number 36 Hari Ram, number 25 Edwin Alfred, number 44 Kantimati Radhakrishnan, and number 58 Melvin Meston T, number 25 Edwin Alfred, number 44 Kantimati Radhakrishnan, number 89 RS Thirunyana Sambandhan, and number 36 is Hariram. Congratulations, you are the 5 lucky winners for last week. Name and address, name and address all day on the website in the Bharat email contest questions. Answers to come in DD Sport Chennai at vsnl.com by Tuesday night 8 o'clock. Savakkarami 28 manikku badal servindum. Who recently became the first Indian to be drafted into the NBA? Indian. Please remember, not person of Indian origin. I am asking Indian citizen to be drafted into the NBA. Second question, which country is the Indian cricket team going to tour? I am sorry, India is not there in that question. Which country is the Indian cricket team going to tour in the tour commencing July 10th? July மாதம் 10ஆம் தேதி முதல் துவங்கும் எந்த கிரிக்கெட் டூர் இந்தியா எந்த நாட்டுக்கு போறாங்க? Indian cricket team. I'm sorry about that. SMS email question 3. Against which country are the Indian women's cricket team currently playing a series? இந்தியா வந்து பெண்கள் அணி ஒரு நாட்டுக்கு எதிராக ஒரு சீரிஸ் விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. எந்த நாடு? Answers come in DD Sport Chennai at vsnl.com by Tuesday night 8 o'clock. Subjectly answers போட்டுங்க. Name and address should be there in the body of the entries. Name and address not be considered with the draw of lot. Sending viewers questions and viewers feedback. Please send it to the same DD Sport Chennai at vsnl.com. தனி அனுப்புங்க. Contest is not open. Manually this can be a software program. Get 3 minutes. Go back to the picture board. Take the next call. அடுத்த காலை யார் பார்க்கலாம்? We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello?
Sir, Jayesh from Coimbatore.
Jayesh, which number on the picture board? Open a new question if you want.
Sir, on the NBA question.
NBA question number 1 ஆ?
ஆமா சார்.
சரி, என்ன ஆகும்? ரெண்டு டீமும் டைம் அவுட் எடுக்கலன்னா என்ன ஆகும்?
சார், ஆக்சுவலா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் தேர்ட் குவார்ட்டர்ல வந்து 5 minutes 59 seconds குள்ள டைம் அவுட் எடுக்கணும் சார். அப்படி எடுக்கலன்னா டெட் பால்னு சொல்லி ஹோம் டீம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க.
எது கொடுப்பாங்க?
டெட் பால் ஹோம் டீமுக்கு அபிஷியல் ஸ்கோரர் வந்து டெட் பால் ஹோம் டீம் கொடுத்துருவாரு.
சரி, அப்புறம் மீதி டைம் அவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம்
அதுக்கப்புறம் சப்சிக்வென்ட்ல வந்து 2 minutes 59 seconds டெட் பால் ஆப்போசிட் டீம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அதாவது ப்ரீவியஸ்லி நாட் சார்ஜ் டீம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க.
ஜெயேஷ், முக்கியமான மேட்டரே விட்டுட்டீங்க ஜெயேஷ். முக்கியமான மேட்டர் நம்ம தேடுற மேட்டரே நீங்க விட்டுட்டீங்க.
அத ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் தேர்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட்ல 5 minutes 50 டெட் பால் கொடுத்துறாங்க. அபிஷியல்
டெட் பால் கொடுப்பாங்களா? Okay, no Jayesh, I can't give it to you. The answer I am searching for is something specific. Thanks for participating from Coimbatore Jayesh. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ, வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello? யாரு?
Deepak from Chennai.
Deepak, which number on the picture board? Background. Which sport?
Football.
Who is that?
Sandesh Jingan, Kerala Blasters.
Sandesh Jingan, I can't believe that this was carrying over for such a long time. One of India's star defenders now, and Kerala Blasters star Sandesh Jingan. Very, very good. I don't know why nobody answered it earlier. Deepak, telephone number?
91763.
91763.
83642.
Okay, 50 rupees worth seat offer voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. அடுத்த caller, one more caller, then we take the SMS. Hello, வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Hello, Hariprasad from Godalur.
Hariprasad, ஒரு ஆன்சர் என்ன?
Number 9.
யார் அது?
Inderjeet Singh, shot put Asian Grand Prix winner.
Brilliant answer. Inderjeet Singh, Ivardan, shot put gold medalist at the recent Asian Athletic Championship at Wuhan in China. Also gold medalist at the Asian Grand Prix at Bangkok, both in June 2015. And he's also a bronze medalist at the last Asian Games. One of India's brightest stars in shot put, Inderjeet Singh. Brilliant. Hariprasad, telephone number?
94439 31378.
Okay, 50 rupees worth seat top of voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. One more caller. Let me take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Kudu ko pernanga. Yaar hai? Gautam, which number on the picture board?
Question number 4.
Question number 4, sequence surprise. John McEnroe, Boris Becker, Leighton Hewitt, Andy Murray and Dash. With reference to the Queen's Cup tennis tournament, complete the sequence. TV வாலிங்க இது கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. John McEnroe, Boris Becker, Leighton Hewitt, Andy Murray and Dash. No idea. Okay,
No idea.
thanks for participating. SMS 5, you are Jake Paranga. Let's find out now from Narmada, who's the winner of the 5th SMS.
SMS 5 answer Juventus செய்தாங்க. இப்போ என்ன பார்க்கலாம்?
Mario Mandzukic has joined Juventus. Actually, he's got a knack of joining the team that loses the Champions League final. This is the third time he's doing this. R. Venugopal from Trichy, 94891 89660. R. Venugopal from Trichy, congratulations. You are the winner for the 5th SMS. The correct answer is, of course, Juventus. முதல்ல Mario Mandzukic வந்து Bayernல இருந்தாங்க. அப்போ they lost the Champions League final. He went to Atletico Madrid. They lost the Champions League final, and now he's come to Juventus, who just lost the Champions League final. SMS 6 coming up on your screen now. All of the following countries reached the last 8 of the ongoing Copa America football tournament. Copa America football tournamentல எந்த அணி குவார்டர் ஃபைனலுக்கு வரல? Bolivia, Chile, Peru or Venezuela. 6 space 6A 6B 6C or 6D. Followed by a name and location 9282105555. Let's go back to the picture board and take the next call. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
BSNL Sports Quiz.
Yeah, who's this?
Srinivasan from Kumbakonam.
Yes, Mr. Srinivasan. எந்த number picture board ல?
That football question.
Which football question? Number 8
5.
Number 5. Okay. Which team is that?
Parma FC.
What happened to them recently?
Is it because they sold Dybala to Juventus?
They sold what?
Dybala, Pablo Dybala to Juventus.
Sir, something more disastrous happened to them, sir.
No idea, sir.
What can be very disastrous for a club?
Relegation?
Something worse than relegation. Club can go. You don't have. Oh, I'll give it to you. You got the club. The club is Parma FC of Italy, who won the UEFA Cup twice, including in 1999. This was the starting lineup for them in 1999. And the Cup Winners' Cup also, they went bankrupt. Dybala poitanga, Parma FC, and they have now been called an amateur team because nobody was willing to buy them and keep them as a professional side. Srinivasan Kumbakonam, telephone number?
89036.
89036.
52790.
52790, 50 rupees worth seat top of voucher courtesy BSNL coming your way. 3G caller, who's this? Hello?
Barney, sir.
Barney, எந்த number picture board ல?
Barney, sir.
எந்த number picture board ல?
Queen's Club, sir.
எது? 6
4.
Number 4, என்ன answer?
Andy Roddick.
என்ன, what is the connection?
4 times ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க, sir.
They are the only ones who have won the Queen's Club tennis tournament 4 times. Nobody has won it 5 times. In the Queen's Club tennis tournament, யாருமே 5 வாட்டி ஜெயிச்சதில்ல. Andy Roddick, John McEnroe, Boris Becker, Leighton Hewitt and இந்த வருஷம் Andy Murray won it for the 4th time. And that is the list of 4 times winners of the Queen's Club. Very good answer, Barney. Telephone number?
9442.
Okay.
758.
என்னது?
55758.
55758, 50 rupees worth seat top of voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. அடுத்த caller. Hello, வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, Sriram Tutukuran.
எந்த number picture board ல?
Sir, picture board ஒரு நிமிஷம். நான் வேணா 16 ட்ரை பண்றேன்.
16 ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க தாராளமா. After this we take the SMS. John Edrich, Tom Cooper, Brian Vittori and Dash. Complete the sequence in reference to ODI cricket. Question courtesy Arvind from Madurai.
Brian Vittori, Zimbabwe player.
Very good.
Tom Cooper, யாரா தெரியுமாப்பா?
யாரா தெரியுமாப்பா? யாரப்பா கேக்குறீங்க?
இங்கிலாந்து பிளேயர் போல அப்பா.
சரிங்க, அவங்க என்ன நாடுன்னு கேக்கல. யாரு இன்னொரு பேர் லிஸ்ட்ல ஆட் பண்றது யார் பேரு?
இவங்க இப்போதான் வந்திருக்காங்க.
இப்போதான் வந்திருக்காக இல்லையா? இல்லை. Okay, thanks for participating. SMS 6 யார் ஜெயிக்க போறாங்க? Let's find out now from Narmada, who's the winner of the 6 SMS.
SMS 6 வெனிசுவேலா மட்டும் போகவில்லை. நேர்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, Venezuela, Pola, most of you got that right. Bolivia, Chile, Peru, Brazil, Uruguay, Paraguay, Colombia, Argentina are the 8 teams. Winky from Ambattur. 9498049223. I think that's the number that he wants topped up is what I presume. Okay, Winky, you're the winner for the 6th SMS. The correct answer is Bolivia, Chile, Peru, Brazil, Uruguay, Paraguay, Colombia and Argentina are the 8 teams that actually made it through to the last 8 of the Copa America this year. SMS 7 before we go for a commercial break. The first ever hockey test series between India and Pakistan was played in 1948, 1950, 1978, 1982. SQ space 78, 70, 70, 70 space for a minute. 928210555. Going for a short commercial break. See you on the other side of the break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. Welcome back to BSNL Sports Quiz. Quickly go back to the picture board and take the next call. Artha call yaar paakalam. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga per enanga? 3G. Who's this?
Hello sir, Karthik from Chennai.
Karthik, which question on the picture board?
Sir, the sequence surprise question.
Endha number? 16
And the 16th, ama sir.
Okay, John Edrich, Tom Cooper, Brian Vittori and
Mustafizur Rahman sir.
Why?
Because he became the first player to become man of the match award on the consecutive matches won as a debut. First 2 matches man of the match award.
Absolutely right. There are only 4 players in the history of ODI cricket who have got the man of the match award in their first 2 matches. Debut match, adutha match, continuous man of the match award vaanganadu John Edrich of England, who got it actually in the very first ODI that was played ever, and also the next match that he played. Tom Cooper of Netherlands, Brian Vittori of Zimbabwe, and of course Mustafizur Rahman recently. Karthik, telephone number
94444
4444
75486.
Okay, 50 rupees worth seat top of voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. Artha call hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enna?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, Balamurugan from Mumbai.
Balamurugan, or answer kudunga Balamurugan.
Yeah, I'll go for 17.
17 is a sitter. It's an absolute sitter. Go for it.
Yeah, that's Filippo Inzaghi and Mihalovic.
What is the connection?
Inzaghi was the ex-coach of Milan and Mihalovic has replaced him.
Absolutely right. Killed photo. The bottom photo is Filippo Inzaghi, the former Italian striker, and who was till recently the manager of AC Milan. Inzaghi was sacked, and the new man who's replaced him is the man on the left. Sinisa Mihalovic is the new manager of AC Milan. Brilliant answer. Balamurugan, telephone number?
Yeah, 94866.
Okay.
53238.
Okay, 50 rupees worth seat top of voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. Artha call hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enna? Hello. Yeah, who's this?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Hello, Giri from Chennai.
Which number on the picture board?
10 photo find.
Okay, number 10 photo find. Why was this mascot in the news recently? Question courtesy Syed Ahmed. பயங்கரமா இருக்கு பாருங்களேன். இது போய் யாராவது mascot வச்சுப்பாங்களா? Okay, this has been going viral. Okay, this has been going viral online. That's why this question has come up. Okay, thanks for participating. Artha call hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enna? Hello. Who's this? Illa, we've lost this caller. Artha caller line la varuvanga. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enna?
Vanakkam sir.
Vanakkanga, yarunga?
முகப்பேர் ஈஸ்ட்ல இருந்து டிராஃபிக் கான்ஸ்டபிள் பேசுறேன் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க உங்க பேரு?
குமார வடிவேல் சார்.
குமார வடிவேல். NBA பாஸ்கெட்பால் கேள்வி தானே கேப்பீங்க நீங்க?
ஆமா சார்.
அப்போ 1ஆம் நம்பர் கேள்விக்கு பதில் முதல்ல சொல்லுங்க.
சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குவார்டர்ல இருந்து ஃபோர்த் குவார்டர் வரைக்கும் டைம் அவுட் இல்லாம விளையாடலாம் சார்.
சரி, அப்புறம்
ஃபோர்த் குவார்டர்ல டைம் அவுட் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
டீம்ஸ் 2 பேரும் எடுக்கலைங்க, என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? அடுத்தது என்ன நடக்கும்? எங்க டைம் அவுட் எடுக்கலாம்ல? டீம்ஸ் 2 டீமும் எடுக்கலைங்க டைம் அவுட். ரெஃபரி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க?
மேட்ச் முடியும்போது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டைம் கொடுப்பாங்க சார்.
மேட்ச் முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் அந்த டைம் அவுட் டைம் சேர்த்து வச்சு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டைமா கொடுப்பாங்களா?
ஆமா சார்.
யோசிச்சு சொல்லுங்க, இன்னொரு சான்ஸ் கொடுக்குறேன், சொல்லுங்க.
தெரியலையே சார்.
நீங்க தான் பாஸ்கெட் பால் கேட்டீங்க, அதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு பாஸ்கெட் பால் கேள்வி கேட்டா தெரியலன்னா என்ன பண்ண முடியும்?
பால் கேட்டேன், இப்ப இதுல வேற क्वेश्चन வேற பாஸ்கெட் டீம் கேட்டீங்க.
NBA ல கேக்குறாங்க, இந்தியன் பாஸ்கெட் பால் கேட்கணுமா? சரி, அடுத்த வாரம் உங்களுக்கு இந்தியன் பாஸ்கெட் பால் கேள்வி கேக்குறேன். Thanks for participating. One more question and then one more call and then the SMS 7. Hello, வணக்கம். 3G, who's this?
நாகார்ஜுன் from Chennai.
யாரு?
நாகார்ஜுன் from Chennai.
நாகார்ஜுன், எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
6.
Number 6, photo find. This accident happened in Punjab last week. What is its tragic connection to sport? இது ஒரு பயங்கரமான ஒரு சாலை விபத்து பஞ்சாப்ல சென்ற வாரம் நடந்தது. அத்லீட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பஸ்ல போகும்போது மோதிட்டாங்க. இல்லை, not the right answer. Thanks for participating. SMS 7 யார் ஜெயிக்க போறாங்க? Let's find out now from Narmada Uzubila with the 7th SMS.
SMS 7 answer 1978 பண்ணியாந்து பார்க்கலாம்.
It's incredible, but Pakistan and India never played a test series hockey till 1978. ஹாக்கில இந்தியாவும் பாகிஸ்தானும் 1978 வரை ஒரு டெஸ்ட் சீரிஸ். Of course they had played each other in Olympics and other places, but never in a bilateral series. 9488328020. Rex from Nagarkoil, congratulations, you are the winner for the 7th SMS. Correct answer is of course 1978. 8th and final SMS for today coming up on your screen now. Brazilian forward Roberto Firmino has signed for the English Premier League team Chelsea, Liverpool, Newcastle or West Ham. SQ space 88B828D follows name and location 9282105555. Let's go back to the board and take the next call. Hello, vanakkam, BSNL Sports Quiz unga per neenga. Hello,
Srikanth, Chennai.
Srikanth, which one are you going to answer?
That mascot, which is the Scottish football
mascot. Question number 10. What's the name of the mascot?
I'm not aware of that, sir, but
okay.
I know this has been going viral.
What is this? Okay, give the answer. Srikanth?
Yeah?
Give us the answer.
No, I don't know the name of the mascot. I know it's
okay, doesn't matter. Tell us the story of the mascot. Which club?
No, sir, I have not seen it fully. I just saw a brief glimpse.
Never mind. Thanks for participating, Srikanth. One more caller. We got a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per neenga. Sivaraman, endha number sir picture boardla? Endha number? 19. Enna answer?
James Ackerman field le un settuvitar sir.
Yaar?
Rugby player. James Ackerman.
சரி,
அவர் இன்னொருத்தரும் அதே மாதிரி தான் ரக்பி மேட்ச்ல செத்துவிட்டாரு சார்.
இன்னொருத்தரும் 2 பேருமேவா? மேல இருக்கிறவர் யாரு?
கொஞ்சம் மேல இருக்கிறவர் ஜேம்ஸ் ஆக்கர்மேன் சார்.
மேல இருக்கிறவரா கீழ இருக்கிறவரா?
ஆமா.
அப்ப கீழ இருக்கிறது யாரு? Sivaraman sir, I am going to give it to you because this is a very tough question. You got James Ackerman. James Ackerman அந்த 2 சிறிய குழந்தைகளுக்கு தந்தை. சென்ற வாரம் அது மேல இருக்கிறவர் பிரான்சிஸ் மோலோ, அவருடைய ரக்பி டாக்கிள் தலையில அடிபட்டு ஜேம்ஸ் ஆக்கர்மன் died in the Queensland Rugby League matchல recently. Very good answer, Mr. Sivaraman. Telephone number
9445 80989.
Very good answer. I thought this question was going to carry over. Thanks for participating. One more caller. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per neenga.
Hello, Ashish from Chennai.
Ashish, which number on the picture board?
The mascot.
Mascot, question number 10. What is the answer?
Name of the mascot is Kingsley.
Okay, which club?
That's actually a Scottish Premier League, Patrick Thistle.
Okay, Partick Thistle. Okay, good. Why did it go viral? Because it's believed to be the...
This is half Son and half Simpson.
Okay, it's believed to be one of the most terrifying sporting mascots and this has gone viral. Scottish Football Club, Partick Thistle's new mascot which was unveiled recently. It's called Kingsley. Very good answer. Unga per enna sonninga?
Ashish.
Ashish, telephone number?
23644633. I'll send the number by mail.
4633. Okay, 50 rupees worth top of voucher courtesy BSNL coming away. One more call and then we take the final SMS. 8th SMS for today. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enanga? Hello. Hello, we've lost this caller. 8 I'll have to give the answer before we wind up because that is a carryover question. Hello, vanakkam. Hello. I can't believe it's carried over for 2 weeks. Hello, vanakkam. Yeah, who's this? Hello. Okay, more audio problems. SMS 8, yaar Jacob Poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada and see take if we can 2 more callers. SMS 8.
SMS 8 answer Liverpool winner yarnu unne paakalam.
Roberto Firmino of Brazil has joined Liverpool and he will be playing for Liverpool next season. Lots of right answers have come in. Who is this? Vignesh from Chennai. 94449655599. Vignesh from Chennai. Congratulations. You are the winner for the 8th and final SMS for today. Last 2 callers for today. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enanga? Hello. Yeah, answer of course is Liverpool. Yeah, who's this? Hello. Yeah, who's this?
Sir, Harikrishan Thoothukudi, sir.
Harikrishan open question mattum.
Sir, accident kamchingla Punjab.
Accident yaar adu?
Sir, the former Indian hockey team captain, sir, avanga.
Aana penna?
Lady, sir. Woman hockey team.
Okay, I'm going to give it to you. Shashi Bala, the former Indian women's hockey captain, was killed in this very, very unfortunate road accident recently along with her son. What a tragedy. Shashi Bala, the former Indian hockey captain. Cholunga, Harikrishan, telephone number.
Sir, I will mail you, sir.
Okay, you will mail me. Last caller for today. Let's see if we can get one more answer in. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enanga? Hello. Yeah, who's this?
Brinda, sir.
Brinda, enna number picture board la? Seekram. 1 or 8? Hello. Okay, we've lost this caller. Last caller for today. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz unga per enanga? Yaru?
Adityan from Harihar.
Adityan, 1 or 8?
I'll take a chance with that NBA question, sir.
Okay, what happens?
Sir, இது டைம் அவுட் எடுக்கலனாக்கா ஸ்கோரர் வந்து ஹோம் டீமுக்கு இது சார்ஜ் பண்ணுவாரு.
Home team ku charge panduvaru if the timeouts are not taken. That is not the right answer. This question will carry over for next week. Answer for question number 8 is incredible. I never thought this will remain unanswered. Both are Luis Suarez. Rendu perume Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez Miramontes அப்படிங்கறவர் ரெட் டி-ஷர்ட்ல the Spanish football star who played between 1957 and 1972 for Spain, and the other one of course is the Uruguayan football star Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz. Okay, that is the right answer. Nobody gets that. Remaining 2 questions will carry over on the picture board. ரெண்டு கேள்வி அடுத்த வாரம் carry over ஆகும். நிகழ்ச்சி பார்த்து ரசிப்பீங்க. நம்ம hope you're watching the show this evening. மீண்டும் அடுத்த ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை இரவு 9 மணிக்கு சந்திப்போம். We'll see you again next Sunday night at 9 p.m. on another episode of BSNL Sports Quiz. Until then, have a great week. நன்றி, வணக்கம், bye bye.